everyone, thanks for stopping back by to see what I am up to. And I have one that is near and dear to my heart today, and this is my Bookcase Club. I think this is like the 5th month for this subscription. Love this subscription each month. Excuse me. I am an avid reader. I didn't read the books for last month yet because I'm still reading the one book from the month prior. I've just been so busy I haven't had time to read. But I will get to them. I love to read. This is what it looks like on the inside. They want you to tag them on any kind of photos. Always packaged beautifully, wrapped nicely. And then inside, this is how it's packed. The books are packaged. Give you a little bit of information about Bookcase Club. It's $9.99 a month plus $5 for shipping. I do get the Thrill Seekers box, which is 2 books, and I think the total is like $14.99, $15. These are usually most times hardbacks with covers. Sometimes you get a softback. I don't mind either way. Sometimes the softbacks are easier to put in your handbag. I used to love them for like waiting in doctor's rooms and stuff, but we don't get to do that anymore. Let me tell you about the others that they offer, the other genres that they offer. Teenage Dreams, Booking for Love, Surprise Me Fiction, Strange Worlds, Thrill Seeker, which I get, and then the Bookcase Kids is by gender and age, and you get 2 to 4 books in that subscription. Great, would be great for children to get them reading as young as possible and get them used to reading. They're going to have to do it for school, but get them used to reading, and it's amazing how it expands vocabulary, truly and truly. So this first book is a nice thick book, Clive Cussler. And this is the Romanov Ransom. Oh, that's probably going to be a good book right there. You can see, nice book. Let me see. On the inside flap gives you some prices. This is a New York Times bestselling author. And this one is worth $29. This is a big book. About 400-page book. Nice, right there. That's book number 1. And then, ooh, this one looks good too. And this is from Karen Cleveland, Need to Know. Oh, can't wait for this one. And this has a value, U.S. value of $26. I mean, these books are, they're not, 100-page books. They're, in my opinion, let me just see how many pages this is. This is about 290. But what I find is the pages are easy reads. Sometimes, if you get a small paperback, the print is so fine. I find that harder to read for me. As I get old, as you get older, your eyes, do change. You need to wear glasses. If you don't, you're lucky. But your vision changes as you age. And I find that these types of books are so much easier to read. The print is perfect. Is the perfect font. I wouldn't want it any bigger, and I wouldn't want it any smaller. So I'm thrilled with this every month. Like I said, I am an avid reader, and I definitely will read these 2 books. I might bump them ahead of the 2 from last month because these really look good. You never know. I've almost finished the 1 book from 2 months ago, 2 boxes ago. So then I'll start out of I have these 2 plus the 2 from last month, so I have 4 books. So I'll pick one. I'm going to pick one of these. The Romanov Ransom sounds good. I might read that one next. And I love to read late at night. If I can't sleep, this is a good way for me relax my mind. It's not social media. It's not the blue light from my laptop or tablets, phone, all that kind of stuff. Sometimes just laying in bed, or even if I'm sitting in, a nice comfy chair, just to read. Even if I only read, 3, 4, 5 chapters, it's enough just to relax your mind. You're not, worrying about this and wondering about that and what's going on here and there. You sort of shut that down and just focus on reading. I find for me, it's very relaxing. And many a nights I have fallen asleep reading a book, glasses still on my face. I wake up a couple hours later and I'm thinking, oh, what's going on? And my glasses are still on. I'm sound asleep with my glasses on, and the book is like off to the side or still like on top of, wherever in the covers. But I love to read, and I hope you all will continue to watch this video. I was considering not showing, still get the subscription because I love it. And for the price, you cannot beat it. Basically $7 a book, $7.50 a book. And you know what? You can swap with friends. You can donate these to your library. Give them to friends, neighbors, family, anybody that likes to read, and swap your books around. I don't like the library for the fact is, you take out a book and you have to have it back in whatever. I don't even know what their time frame is. I don't want to be under a time constraint to read. Like I said, I've been so busy the last week or two, I haven't picked up my book. There would have been 2 weeks wasted on the amount of time that they give you. I like my own books. I don't keep them. At some point, if I get enough that's a box, I will donate them. And Goodwill, Purple Heart. There's so many charitable organizations out there that you can give this stuff to. And whether they give it to people or sell it, whatever, to help their organization, I'm fine with that. Sometimes if I know I have a stockpile of books, I'll add a book in my mystery box giveaways and let you guys have a book to read. I have not read it, so it's not like I'm reading a book and then passing it on to you. It's a book that I've not touched. I keep my books immaculate so that if I want to share with friends and family, they're not dog-eared, they're not all... I never break a seam on a book. The binding, I keep it pristine so that I can share books. At one point, I used to display them in a bookcase, and that gets overwhelming too. And then they got all boxed up, and I was like, why am I saving these? I've read them, so I gave them away. I used to have a neighbor before she passed that loved to read, so I could have given her books, but can't do that anymore. Miss her so much. And that makes me sad now that I just thought about it, because she wasn't a very avid reader. So I hope everyone is having a good day and enjoying their week, and I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.